have the Golden Blaze videos, and today I want to talk to you about another favorite piece of gear, and that is my Sawyers. This is the Sawyer Mini. This is the first one I had. Works great, and sometime last year I upgraded to the Sawyer Squeeze. They're very similar. The Sawyer Squeeze is just larger. It's got faster water flow, which was the main thing I was looking for. The Mini's obviously cheaper, but it does take longer to filter the water out. And anyways, if you're going to get one, I'd just go ahead and get the Squeeze. It's worth 10 or 15 extra bucks. How the system works is they got a squeeze bag, and you just screw the filter on, and when you squeeze the bag, you're ready to filter. So anyways, when you squeeze, the water comes out. Now I do have a problem with the Sawyers, and it's that I get a leak. Sometimes I get it right here where it attaches. You can also use a smart bottle, which is what I normally use, and it screws on the same way. It's supposed to fit on any type of regular cap. And anyways, same thing. You just squeeze, or you can suck. But anyways, here's the problem I've had, and I've had it with both of them. And I've had this happen at the water hole. Got to take it off, and this gasket, which is supposed to be on the inside, stays with the bottle or falls off on the ground. One time I even had to go look for it at the spring after I realized it fell off. And then, like I said, with the Squeeze too, sometimes it'll leak around that seal where it's just not holding up, and you know, is it that big a deal? But don't know. But really don't want necessarily contaminated water leaking down into my water bottle. So I did come up with a solution, and I replaced the factory little seal, which looks like this, and this one's gotten deformed. But anyways, it's just like a little piece of plastic, and I replaced it with my own rubber gasket. This is a 16th inch thick piece of white food grade rubber. If you want to make your own, the OD is 1 inch and the ID is 3/8 of an inch. I've already installed one, as you can see here, on my big Sawyer Squeeze. And then if you want to put one on your Mini, that's where I originally started with. Here's what the factory gasket looks like, and that's the one that's prone to leak and prone to fall off. And I'll remove it. So you can see that just pops right out. And then you can install your rubber gasket. I made the rubber gasket for the Mini first. The 3/8 inch ID fits right over the stem. Just press it down in there. You can see it's a nice, good, tight fit. And that's it. That's my little fix. Me and my buddies both had that problem. I've given them all one of these rubber gaskets, and that seems to do the trick. No more falling off, no more sticking to the bottle, and works really great. And then man, I've been using these Sawyer bottles. That's a pretty common backpacker trick. They're fairly cheap. They got this nice flip top stem where you can drink out of. And then I'll show you one more trick before I end the video. You do have to back flush these occasionally. So what you do is you push the stem on your smart bottle up against the output stem on the Sawyer, and when you give it a squeeze, flushes it out. Nice, quick, easy. And if you got the smart bottle, or you've already got this nozzle, so nice, easy trick. So anyways, recommend Sawyer, like them a lot. Do have to replace their gaskets with my own, but anyways, great product. I would recommend it. Cheap, lightweight, easy to use. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.